What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Crypto here, and we are making a video on market overview. First and foremost, I I came across the news that about the Europeans banning or trying to like regulate the crypto space over there, and they said people shouldn't use USDT. The truth of the matter is, all this news about USDT, if you've been in the crypto space, it's USDT has always been having issue with a lot of with the US or the European. So they're always trying to like regulate it and all what's not. So it's irregular stuff. So but for you to be safe, I would say you should move your funds from USDT to USDC, or there are other pairs, other stable coin pairs. So yeah, that is it for that. Now, as you guys can, if you guys don't know, I've built up my mind on some of the coins that I'll be trading 2025, some of the coins that I will be trading 2025, and I think one of the coins are Dogecoin. I will definitely have Dogecoin. I'm looking into Pepe. I'm definitely ETH, which is Ethereum, Shiba Inu. Although I don't know about Notcoin, it's just because I haven't like calmed down to make any technical analysis on Notcoin. Um, Definitely Bitcoin. I don't know about stocks, but I'll probably make my research on. I'll do my technical analysis, not research, because I made up my mind to hold solid projects. Yeah, we open a long position on solid projects on Ethena. I don't really know about Ethena. I'm being skeptical about Ethena. Dog with hearts, I don't know about that. Jupiter, I don't know about that. Ton, I don't know about that. But Solana, yeah, maybe. XRP, definitely. I will open a long position on XRP in a very long time. Sorry, months ahead, probably middle next year, or I'll definitely open the chart for us to see. Moondeng, I open a long position on Moondeng. I'm currently in a loss right now simply because I'll keep you guys updated in the. I made a video on that. The first video, it's on my YouTube. I want to like start like nurturing a small money to like big money. So I'm doing that. I won't be, if the account gets blown away, fine. But if not, I'll just keep you guys updated. So I entered this coin here, which it is currently here. I use a very small dollar. I use very little capital. So this place that there is a yellow dotted line, that is where this is where I'll get liquidated. But before I get liquidated, if this coin Moon then gets to this level, a buy order will be triggered. So obviously when the buy order is being triggered here, my liquidation price will definitely go down a bit. So yeah, that is what but I'm seeing a lot of opportunity here because after I've like this is my plan. Once Bitcoin goes down, the altcoin starts pumping, or once Bitcoin retraces, the altcoin starts pumping. I'll definitely make money from here. Then after I've taken my profits here, I might probably take profits if this coin is actually going to have a lot of community behind it, and because I heard that it's been listed on Coinbase and it's also been listed on Binance Perpetual. I don't know about Binance Spot, but it's on Bybit and a whole lot of exchange. So I'm seeing this coin heading towards $1, 1.2. Who knows? It's crypto, guys. I'm seeing it going really high, even as high as 1.5, which my profit will not be that much. But if it goes that high, I'll take my profits and I'll use it to like enter other trades, which I'll keep each and every one of us updated. So one thing you should know that this video will be really long, so I'll just this today is Sunday, so yeah, I will pour out or spill a lot of stuffs. So yeah, for this coin, oh, it really gets in red. So for this coin, I don't know if I've made this clear before that I'm a long-term trader. I don't do I don't snipe or whatever it's called. When it comes to futures trading, I can be in a trade for a month, 2 months, 3 months. So that is how I trade. Because as you can see now, I'm on the weekly charts, not on the 2 hours, 1 hour, 5 minutes, 30 minutes. No, I'm on the weekly charts, and as you can see, the chart is good. It's looking really good. This is perfect. So yeah, I'm all in. I'm all in. And if this chart continues to like probably ending of January, I might probably still go in again. Who knows? I might add more liquidity into my add more capital for the trade. So that is that for Moondeng. And for yes, I'll be definitely going all in on Sui, BNB, Ada, and Link. Maybe I might come find more coins that I will add to this list, but for now, these are basically the coins that I will be going all in. Now let's start with Bitcoin here. Let's definitely start with Bitcoin. Let's do a chart analysis on Bitcoin. Sorry about that. I don't know if I should put it on landscape mode or not. I don't know if I should put it on landscape mode. So which of these charts will I be using as I can't use this. I need charts which have done proper technical analysis. Yes. So as we all can see, this is it for Bitcoin right now. So this chart is perfect. This chart is really perfect for Bitcoin. So I don't know, I've made it known to us that that this is, I feel, BTC, people are predicting BTC go to 125k, which I don't see it going to 125k. I see that, oh, if it wants to even exceed this green line here, let me turn this to landscape for now for us to see. If BTC should like break through this, it's definitely going to be a week or something. So I don't know, but if it's going to retrace, it's probably coming down to 85, 86k. Worst case scenario, I'm seeing it even going down to probably 79k. But currently I'm seeing it going to 85, 86k. If because it's the new year, there is no much volume, the year is ending, and when the year ends, I am abroad, there is no transactions going on, so it's a holiday, so people have like, there is no much volume so in the market. So sorry about this pop-up. So yeah, that is it for that. So if I go to the daily, you can see that BTC is trying to hold between is trying to hold onto this 94. Is trying to hold on this 94,000 levels, which as you can see, the bear actually like taking over. But let me see something. Let me see something because never can tell. So let's say it is probably going to this is me just like speculating, but on the long run, like from the weekly perspective, we know what we saw. I'm expecting it to like make this move to come to 93k. We just need it to hold within the range of 92 to 93k and we are good. So it will just keep on moving like this and going up. This is what I'm thinking. This is what I'm thinking. And yeah, that's basically it. If since it doesn't break below this line, we are good. But if it should go below this line, if it goes below this trend line, this line that I drew, and it breaks below it and it retests, we're definitely going down to 85, 86k. That is my prediction for the short term. Yep, that's my prediction. But on the long run, guys, I'm not lying to any of us, I'm seeing Bitcoin coming down. Bitcoin, we we bleed for a very very long time. Look, next year it's really bleeding because one of the guys that I used to follow his trades, not like I used to like admire the way he trades, is Crypto on Twitter, and he's also on YouTube. He's kind of person that trades like I do. He has this way of trading that I also love trading. And it's not like I learned from him. I didn't learn it from anybody. I just learned it myself that, oh, if you want to trade, you don't like see the market from 2 days, 2 weeks, 1 month, 5 months. No, you already like envision the market for like the next 3 years, 2 years. When you go through the chart, you know what the chart is saying. The chart communicates to you and you understand. So I feel he's a very very I watched his video. I came across his video because I've not been into crypto, and whenever I'm not into crypto for my mental health, I make sure that I don't open anything crypto for me to like be right up to like go into crypto, come back into crypto, because I might come in with emotion. So he he made a tweet and people were all in their feelings. He told people that crypto will come crashing really really hard next year 2025 because there will be a lot of famine, war, and all what's not. So these are all the news or excuses that people used to come up with in order for them to crash the Bitcoin, the stock market, and all what's not. So yeah, that is it. I was so happy that he said that earlier this week that the market will come crashing, and everybody were in their feelings. Those under his comment section, they were all in their feelings. So that is it, guys. You just have to like be in this market for long to know what is what. So currently right now I don't see Bitcoin exceeding probably I don't see it even going to 120k. I'm seeing it that it is time for it to crash. It is time for it to come down. It can probably come down. It will look. I'm not even capping right now. All the way from here, I'm seeing it dropping down to 75k. 75k, then it will probably go up again, then come down. Then there will be something like this, guys. There will be something like this. I'm not capping, guys. I'm not capping. This is what I'm seeing on the long run. This is what I'm seeing on the long run. Everybody's saying, "Oh, this is going to 150k." Cap, guys, cap. Nothing is going to 150k. I won't lie to each and every one of you. You have to be in this market for a certain amount of like years or duration or time span in order for you to understand how this market plays. Are you with me? So now moving on to ETH. I said I'll be trading ETH too. So for ETH, it's clear that this is what I want to do with ETH. I will get into ETH. As you can see, ETH has, sorry about that. ETH has gone up. It has done its necessary pump. It's got to this level, the 6.18 level, and it's trying to like go up. So I don't know about this ETH, but I know that it is following this trend line, this triangle, which I feel it will hardly break out of this triangle. It can probably come down here to 2000. I'll open a long position if it ever gets to 2000, and if it should go below 2000, I'll keep on stacking. So I feel this is how it is definitely going to be going. This is definitely going to be going until there is a breakout, guys. Until there is a breakout, then we can see it heading towards 7,000. So this is what I'm seeing, and that 7,000 might come in the year 2027. 2027. So you have to like see this as time for you to like stack up, because the bull run is here to stay. Like on the like in terms of long term, it is here to stay. The market is not crashing all the way from 3,000. It's gonna crash down to zero. No. It's not done that way. So this is my analysis on ETH on the long run. So if you want me to like go in depth, go to the daily. let's see what it's saying, because the market needs to communicate. So as well, I can see it is It's created, I think this is called double top. Yeah, it's created a double top here, and it's crashing. So now for it to create this double top, let me see something, guys. For it to create this double top, it this was literally the support. This was literally the support area. From here, then this was where the double top happened. Let me just say here, from here to here, that was something called double top. So it's started from here, it went up here, it came down, then the second top was made. So it broke below. This is what I used to say: whenever it breaks below the support, there is definitely going to be a retest, and after there's that retest, you can wait for the confirmation candle. And with the look of things, you can actually short it right now. You can actually short it right now. So the reason why I could have waited for that meme coin that I entered before opening a long position, but because I knew that today is Sunday, I've been saying that Sundays are really bad and all what's not. I would have waited, but because it's a meme coin, meme coins most of the times they don't really follow Bitcoin and ETH sometimes on Sunday. So that was I just took half of the capital and just took a long position while I kept the remaining capital, because I knew that there is high probability that it will come crashing. So I kept the remaining half for that particular place. I told you that when it gets there, I will buy it to get triggered. So yeah, that's basically, and I used low leverage 3x. I think that was what I used, 3x here. So as you all can see, if we definitely come crashing to 3,000 3,000, guys, this is no cap, because this is literally its next support. So to come crashing down to 3,000, but right now it is currently at this level. So I can literally say that ETH is trying to like convince itself that it cannot go below this support level, because there's another support here, there's another support line here. So if it breaks below this support line, if it doesn't break below this support, if it breaks below this support, sorry, we'll definitely get another retest here, which it will come down here. But it can decide to like all the way from here, it will land here, then it will go up, it will come down, it will go up until you probably see a breakout, then it goes up again. So this is how it's definitely going to play out. But worst case scenario, it is coming down to this 3060 level. So that is my prediction for ETH. And for Shiba Inu, let me see, I'm really looking into Shiba Inu. Yes, as you all can see, Shiba Inu is about to break out. I don't know if I've made a video about it, but I feel I have made a video about this. So I feel Shiba Inu is definitely going to break out. Any moment from next year, definitely is going to. I'm seeing 2026. Wow. So let's see. This is my prediction for Shiba Inu to come down here. This is 2025 April, so we all should be expecting a huge crash. So that might probably be a pump here, and it's gonna come down. This is what I'm definitely expecting, guys. This is what I'm expecting. So it might not reach 2026 November 2026, but let's see. Towards that ending of 2026, we'll get a huge pump, and the pump from this Shiba Inu is really massive, guys, because if you check it, it's a lot of returns to be made. If you really check it, that's like, okay, I've done that. That is 123%. So depending on your capital, guys. So yeah, I'm watching out for this is definitely ETH. I'm so sorry about that. I thought that this was actually Shiba Inu. I'm very sorry, guys. Then where is SHIB? Oh my goodness, it's what? This is obviously SHIB. ETH. I don't know what's wrong with this chart. Yeah, because I know that I've done something on Shiba Inu before. I'm so sorry about that. So the same thing still applies. I feel Shiba Inu will come down here. It will come down to this level, and I think probably next year is when Shiba Inu is actually going to break out. This is me being honest. Probably next year is going to break out, and the breakout is definitely going to be massive. It's going to be massive. So I'm looking out for Shiba Inu. Then sorry about that mistake, guys. I was analyzing ETH. Then for Pepe is actually doing very, very well. It did very well this year. Just in case you don't know, Pepe did really, 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 really well this year. So on the based on what the chart here is saying, guys, this is the right time to like wait until it comes down to this level. It all the way from here, it has gone up. Now it is definitely coming down, and I'm seeing it coming down to this level. When it gets down to this level, it will go up again. This is how it's definitely going to be doing. So I'll definitely like be on the lookout for it, know when to enter and all what's not. So that is basically my plan for it right now. As you all can see, it is actually like using this Fibonacci retracement line here, which was its top, which was its highest move at that point, to as a support. As you all can see, it is using it as a support, but I'm seeing it coming down. There is nothing you can do about it. Pepe, there's nothing you can do about it. So I'm on the lookout for Pepe. I will inform you guys the right time to enter, or the time I'm entering a trade or opening a long position on Pepe. So yeah, for all these charts are basically the same thing. For Doge, I've made a video on Doge. You could check out my video on my bio on my YouTube channel, whereby you will see my predictions. So yeah, that is it for Doge. For me to summarize it, the same thing with others. All the way from here, I'm seeing it coming down here at the end of the day. I'm waiting for it to come down, then I'll open a long position down to up to this place. Then there might probably be another if there is no breakout, if there won't be any breakouts, then it is going to come down. Then I might take a short position again on it. So that's basically it, guys, on Doge. So for Link is actually doing well. As you all can see, I have done my technical analysis on it, because that was why I included it to my watch list for next year. As you guys can see, Link is actually doing very well. The analysis on Link is so easy and simple. It does not require stress. It doesn't require stress. So as you all can see, this was the accumulation zone all the way from May 2022. It has been accumulating to this year. Was it this year? Sorry. So it broke out 2023 October, and it came here and it was accumulating here. It was accumulating. While it was accumulating after the breakout, it was accumulating. Then this accumulation zone, which was the rectangle, it became its support. So it broke out. When was that? December 2024 was when it broke out. So because there was a lot of green candles, just the markets will definitely be the markets. It will have to retrace. So it's called healthy movement, because a project is not supposed to be going up continuously for months, for weeks. There is something called healthy retracement. Sorry about that. I wanted to belch. Something called healthy retracement. So that's what it is doing. Which if you are watching out for Link, I would advise you to take a long position from this 19 or 20 cents. Sorry, 19 or $20 all the way up, because this retracement is actually very, very good. It's really needed, guys. So I would say you should wait. Let me go to the daily. I'll say you should wait. It will definitely come down here. When it comes down to this level, then you open a long position. You wait for your confirmation candle. You open a long position, and off it goes. Yeah, so that is it for Link. So I don't know why it's creating, that's the support right there, but I don't care about that. I've made my technical analysis. I'm going with the weekly. So yep, that is it. I'm going with the weekly. So it's currently like using this place as its support. So which is fair, honestly. I can literally like take it up here, but it doesn't like make much sense to me. It doesn't, which it kind of do though. But maybe I did that analysis with the monthly. Yeah, maybe I use the monthly to, so if you go to the monthly, it hasn't broken above this place entirely, this resistance entirely. That is what I was saying. Bitcoin can pump as high as it can go as high as $115,000, but from there it is definitely coming down. It is definitely coming down. It will just form a wick like this. This is actually a wick, as you guys can see. This is the part of the candle called a wick. To just form a wick this long, then it will go back to its position, which is inside the triangle. So yeah, that is it for Link. I'm really on the lookout for it. I'm on the lookout for it big time. I still feel like this is where it belongs. It belongs here on the monthly. It belongs here on the monthly. So it depends on where you want to be trading from. Me, I know where I'll be trading from. If I should go back, I know where I'll be trading from. So yeah, that's basically it for Link. So the next one is ADA, which is known as Cardano. So I have made my analysis on Cardano and I'm very impressed. It's something that I'll definitely be going into. As you can see, for a very long time, all the way since 2022, it went below this level and it has not broken out for a very long time. It has just been fake out upon fake out, but in 2024 it's managed to break out. And for it to break out, guys, it means that it's been serious. Definitely it will go down during the bull market, it will come back down, but on the short term I can use it to be trading if it stays above this line. So if it has broken out above this resistance, the resistance now becomes its support. So if this resistance holds strongly, which has now become its support, if it should hold very strong, then trading here won't be that bad. It won't be that bad. We could be seeing higher highs, or which I don't think so, because Cardano is a very boring coin. Honestly speaking, it's really boring. I can't advise anyone to invest in Cardano. So yeah, for BNB, I'm really all in. I'm really on BNB trading because BNB is really doing well. As you all can see, he's been following every protocol. Should I say it's been going according to plan, how we want it to go. It's been respecting itself. So in the Fibonacci retracement which I drew for it, sorry that this is long, it's called the market overview. So the retracement we did for it's, as you can see the movement, so it respected this trend line, it's continued, and I'm seeing it as it is going up like this. There is a wick right here. It can go as high as probably 800 and something, then it will come down right here. So the moment I see it like hitting any of these 300 level zone, I will open a long position. I will definitely open a long position on BNB. If it goes down further, I'll keep on piling, I'll keep on stacking more in the futures position, guys. Then who knows, the next bull market it will go to $1,000. This is my prediction for BNB token, guys. So that is it. Everything is going smoothly for SUI. Everything is going smoothly too. I am watching it. When the market will definitely come crashing, SUI will definitely come crashing, because I think if I can make some profit from this modern trade, most of the in fact, all the money I'll be using it to short a whole lot of coins. I will short through, not even like I will short through, I will short a whole lot of coins. So as you all can see, it's following the Fibonacci. It's really respecting it. And as you all can see, this is what it has been doing. It has been making higher highs. As you all can see, it's been making higher highs all the way from here. It's made higher highs. Let me increase that. So it's been making higher highs here, another higher high here. So now this is how you know when the market is actually like being very funny. Then it has made another high. I will show you how to know when is the right time to like start shorting it. You will start shorting. I will start shorting this coin the moment it stops following it stop making higher high. Like now, let me show you. All the way from here, it came here, it retraced, it went up, it retraced, it went up. Now it's retracing. It's probably going to come here. It cannot. Well, I'm not expecting it to like go below this support level. I'm not expecting it to go below that. So it will have to go up again. It will probably come down here. It will go up. But the moment the moment it breaks below any one of these support, then it's the right time to start shorting it, because there is no longer momentum to keep sweep pumping. So I got my eyes on it in terms of shorting it, because this beast has been pumping for a very, very long time. So shorting it will be very, 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 very interesting, and I'll keep you guys updated. That is if my Moondeng trade goes according to plan. If it doesn't, let's watch out for that. So for Moondeng, this is Moondeng. It's doing really, really bad, but I don't care. It's a meme coin. What more do you expect from a meme coin? So yeah, that's basically it on sorry. So that's basically the coins that I'm looking out for. Yeah, for XRP. For XRP, I don't really have much to say for XRP right now. I honestly don't have much thing to say. I'm just on the lookout for it as a brother. So it is declining slightly. It's declining slightly, but it's just trying to break above this resistance. If there is any breakout, fine. If not, I'm expecting it to come down, because all these weeks right here, all these weeks is showing that there are people trying to manipulate the market. Whales are trying to sell to like shake hands. So if whales should keep on making people panic, it can come as low as $2. $2. This is where I'm expecting it to go. If you get here, you can actually take a long position, but I don't see myself like taking a long position on XRP until it comes down here. That's when I can take a long position. It has to come down to this level or this level. That's when I'll take a long position on XRP. If not, I'm not not interested. Then let me see if I can like this is actually a good like trade. I'm really on the watch out for it. Who knows, it might make something like this. Can try to do something like this, and maybe that'll be a breakout. That might be a breakout. Who knows? So let's just watch out. Keep each and every one of us updated. For Solana, I'm not really I've not seen myself like trading Solana. Any moment from now. I don't see I don't see any reason for me to trade Solana. The only reason why I'll be trading Solana is to short Solana. So currently it's doing well, so I have no business with it. So I would say, let me increase the opacity of this line. So I would say until I see Solana breaking below, as you can see, it's respecting this trend line. It's making higher highs. It's pumping. It's being proud. It's pumping. It's really pumping in a very healthy situation. This is a healthy movement, healthy bullish movement. So I will be here. I will be here for Solana's downfall. I'm not saying that I want Solana to fall. I'm just saying I'll be here for it when it starts dropping. So as you can see, I made this triangle which it is using as its support. Yes, it's really using it as its support very, very well, which I'm happy for that. So yeah, that's basically it for Solana. I'm just waiting when it's time, when Solana starts messing up by breaking below any trend line or starts making lower lows, or there's no longer momentum to trade it, I'll definitely keep us updated. So what other coin with? I'm not really into with, honestly speaking. I'm not really into with. Oh, I wasn't even available when this happened. I just did the technical analysis long time ago and I left. And funny enough, it has actually like been following that trend line. It broke out. It broke out, and after it broke out, there's only something called a retest. And after the retest, it pumped. It pumps. It's just that it just didn't pump very well, I guess. So yeah, that is it for WIF. I'm not on the lookout for WIF because I really don't know. It seems like it's about to bleed really, 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 really hard, which will be on the. I won't be on the lookout for it. For Ethena, it's been pumping. I have no business with that. So that is basically it, guys. For STX, I don't really know. I'm not really into it currently. So yeah, that's basically it, guys. If you want me to make any technical analysis on any coin of your choice, you let me know, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and peace out.